Gonna take you for a little drive. Like I said earlier, car is very nicely equipped. It does have my favorite feature, the front spoiler lift. Raises the entire front end of the car and automatically brings it back down for you when you hit a certain speed, or you can hit that button again to turn it off. This is the auto start and stop at red lights. And then you have a bunch of drive settings and other features as well. But just take you for a little road test, give you an idea for the car. Car drives perfectly. Very well maintained vehicle. See, the front end's automatically coming down for you once you hit a certain speed. Get into the drive settings in just a moment. Great turning radius. And obviously fabulous handling with the all-wheel drive system. It's actually a pretty bumpy road that we're on, and the car is extremely comfortable. San Diego's a great place to live, absolutely beautiful weather. The roads are okay, definitely not great, I'll give you that much. Car shifts, operates perfectly. Get into those drive settings. So you have Sport mode, Sport Plus. It's raising the rear spoiler and the front spoiler for us right now. This car drives like a dream. Definitely one of the best sports cars you can own.